just went by. Do it again.
Could you tell where my head was at when you found me? Me and you went to hell and back just to find peace. Man, I thought I had everything, I was lonely. Now you're my everything, now it's on me. I miss a lot of love with a lot of drugs that I found you. She like petty crime, she had green eyes like Mountain Dew. And where she go, I'll never know, friends bounce to. I guess it's their loss, cause they'll never know what we'll amount to. And would you be my light, be my yellow? PYT walking down Portobello, put a smile on his face. At the end of the day, MDMA helped to fly away. Who'da known you would save my life? Who'da known you would fly my kite? Could you tell, could you tell? Could you tell where my head was at when you found me? Me and you went to hell and back just to find peace. And I thought I had everything, I was lonely. Now you're my everything, now it's on me. Yeah, yeah, I remember we was all alone. Late night you would call my phone just to check if I was blessed, cause you knew I was low. Head gone rolling off the throne. I remember we was in the park. Late night made love on the grass. Got my head in the clouds counting all my stars. In my ears said the world was ours. Went to hell and back just to heal my wounds, cause it gets like that, wrong side of the moon. No Tutankhamun, you're my Cleopatra. No side thing, don't need a backer. Need a real one, don't need an actor. A lost one, say, think you want a bachelor. Come and be my girl. Could you tell where my head was at when you found me? Me and you went to hell and back just to find peace. My yellow girl.
Am I recording? Welcome to the vlog. We've landed in Hokkaido. I'm Dan, this is Dan. Pat ran to the toilet, so we'll see you in a sec. Our first stop in Hokkaido, we're at the hill of the Buddha. It's like this Buddha inside this kind of cave thing. But yeah, it's pretty cool. His head popping out the top.
Look at this snow cracked head.
Yeah, he's got a hat on. You can see it's going there. Hey, old Buddha mate. It's going down. It's kind of cool though. Hey, it's got face tracking on him, man. Kind of looks like it's sweating. You can see like it's dripping sweat on down the side of his face. He's got icicles on his chin. So I've only got a 16mm lens, but I want to get the whole thing in, so I'm going to take a whole bunch of panoramic shots to kind of stitch it in. So this is how it looks. Where are we going?
I think we're going to Jigogodani.
That's Hell's Valley.
Aye.
Hell's something, yeah.
Let's go there first.
So what do you think of the big Buddha on the hill?
It was pretty cool, man. It's massive.
Yeah, kind of in that little dome thing. Rate it. What do you rate it? Out of 10. We're gonna rate every spot that we go to, so I'll go first. It's a 5.5 out of 10.
5.5?
Yeah, I think that's pretty
That's
good.
your standard rating.
Mine's like,
That's actually good.
average is 5.
That's actually good for
Yeah.
you.
grade is 5.6.
I'll say 7. That's what's a 7.
Yeah,
7.
Yeah, fair enough.
7 or 7.5.
There's not much to do, but like, what photos did you actually get from there?
Just a couple of lines.
I was
There's
running.
a couple of leading lines from like the edge.
I can't remember. I was just running on doing everything. What's your main shot from there then? You know how like you walk away with like one kind of shot.
Yeah, no, just,
That's
my
right.
one's like usually just like an architectural kind of shot.
Yeah, it's nice like
And some
concrete
ice
inside
like
it.
on his chin. He was like drooling.
Sweating, bro.
Sweating or drooling.
We're going to Hell's Valley now. It's like a what's that sulfur?
Yes,
There's gonna be lots of kind of smoke coming out before. It's gonna stink like eggs, but check it out. And say hi to Sleep K in the back, bro. I think you can see me.
Yo.
What do you rate Buddha and Hill? Dan gave 7, I gave a 5.6.
You gave it a 6.
Dan gave it a 7. I gave
You gave
it
it a
5.6.
That's like the equivalent of an 8.
It's not bad.
Just use a normal range.
We're at our second spot. It's called Hell's Valley. Kind of looks like Iceland. You can see behind me. Smells like shit. My name's Itchban. You're laughing at that.
Another big drive.
We're going to the lake and then maybe check
that
in
like this?
at a hotel. It's that lake with the shrine.
Ah, sweet.
Should probably explain to you why I'm in Japan. So a while back, Dan and Pat asked me to come to Japan because they wanted to see some snow. And I finished a bunch of jobs and had nothing on, so I might as well just come. So I booked a ticket and we're here for pretty much a month. Minus 2 days. What else are we doing there?
Road trip?
Yeah. So pretty much two road trips back to back. And I wanna
Japan.
what do you call it? Middle? What do you say? Honshu. Central Japan.
That what it's called.
Yeah, but I wanted to post more YouTube videos and hopefully I should be able to post a whole bunch. Daily vlogs maybe. But we'll see how we go. Yo. I'm gonna cut so many of these in because you lie. So rate the Who Smoke place.
3.
Wow. If you guys give it 3, what do I give it, bro?
Probably 1.
No, yours would be like a 4.25.
Nah, I give it
Yeah,
3.
you-
I give it 3. It's pretty shit.
You're the only guy I know that puts points into ratings.
Yeah, it was pretty shit.
Or
I
starts,
was like poo.
starts from 5.
You start from 5.
Heaps of Chinese people. It smells like poo.
98%.
Wait, I guess we're Chinese, so
Yeah.
it's 100%.
So what's the problem? What's the problem?
No, it's 100% Chinese people. But yeah, it's kind of.
Only the workers were Japanese.
This place reminded me a little bit of like a construction site where they're just gonna drop some earth and stuff. Lights.
That looks incredible, huh? Even here looks great, huh?
We're at some lake. It's pretty sweet. The snow's heaps deep, but we're losing light, so we gotta quickly get out to. There's like a pagoda right on the shore. Pat's about to fly, and Dad and me are walking to the pagoda.
Yep, my sock's gonna be wet later.
Yeah, for sure.
Needs the freaking waterproof socks. How's it look on drone? Can you see?
Alright, to give you some context of why we're out in Japan, we're starting off in Hokkaido, which is the North Island of Japan. It's very snowy because it's very high up. And on Saturday we're going to Tokyo. We're going to hang there for a few days and then do a road trip from Tokyo to Mount Fuji and then Nagano, Fukushima and then back to Tokyo. It's cold. Pat's over there training. You can see. So cool out here. Yeah, I think you should follow along. I'm gonna try to do more YouTube videos. Let me know what you wanna want to see tutorials or like travel vlogs, it'll most likely be travel vlogs, but I'll try to mix some kind of photography and videography stuff in, and it should be pretty cool. Check it out. Get in there, Dan. Are these steps or what?
Yeah, the steps. Yeah, do it. Keep going. You already started. Keep going.
I think this year I want to focus a bit more on filmmaking and videography rather than photography, so this whole trip I think I'm prioritizing that. But I also brought my film camera, which I'm going to try and do some street photography with in Tokyo. If you've seen 7th Era's first person GoPro street series, that's what I'm going to try to do, so check your stuff out, it's pretty cool. I've always done like photo and video at the same time for a lot of jobs, and you can't really prioritize one over the other. Like one of them has to suffer. So I guess that's why I'm trying to pick one over the other. And I feel like I could learn a lot more in video. You can go if you want.
I think
All in, please. For the vlog. Take a dive down. Looks like a path, but it's actually just wrong. I'm still getting used to this vlogging thing, so just bear with me. But what would you like to see? I'm in Japan for a whole month. Right now, we're in snowy Hokkaido and it's freezing.
Like isolated convenience store in the middle of nowhere, snowing, dark, empty car park. Stop there.
See ya.
왜들 그리 다운돼 있어 뭐가 문제야 say something 분위기가 겁나 싸해 요새 이런 게 유행인가 왜들 그리 재미없어 아 그건 나도 마찬가지 Tell me what I got to do 급한 대로 블루투스 켜 아무 노래나 일단 틀어 아무거나 신나는